In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new email account with HostGator. Setting up your own email using your domain name is a crucial step for any business or personal project, giving you a professional touch to all communications. Let's dive in and explore this straightforward process, ensuring you can set up your email account with ease. To start, you'll want to log into your HostGator cPanel. This is your centralized control hub packed with all the tools you need to manage your website and services. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the cPanel dashboard if you haven't already. But today, we'll be focusing on setting up your email. Find your way to the email accounts section. This is where all the email management magic happens. Within this section, you'll be able to create, manage, and delete email accounts. You'll see the options laid out clearly, but for now, our focus is on creating a new account. Go ahead and click on Create, or depending on your interface, it might say Add Email Account. Both mean the same thing. You're about to start the setup. You will now be prompted to enter the desired email prefix. This is the part before the @ symbol. For instance, if you're creating a general inbox, you might use info, resulting in an email address like info@yourdomain.com. Picking a clear and purposeful prefix is important, as it reflects on how you present your communications. Next, you'll need to set a strong password. This step is crucial for securing your email and protecting it from unauthorized access. Make sure the password is complex, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Most importantly, remember it or store it securely using a password manager. You'll also decide on a mailbox quota. This refers to the total amount of storage space that your email can use. You can set it to unlimited or specify a size limit. If you're not sure how much storage you'll need, setting a reasonable amount like 500 MB is a good starting point, and you can always adjust it later based on your needs. Once everything looks good, click Create Account. At this point, you've successfully set up your new email. Great job! Now you can access it through HostGator's webmail interface, which is convenient if you want to check your email from any browser. Alternatively, you might prefer configuring this new email in your personal email client, such as Outlook or Apple Mail, for easier access alongside your other emails. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive walkthrough for creating your email account with HostGator. By following these steps, you can ensure your communications are professional and tailored specifically to your domain. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out